You hear it time and time again, the job market is extremely tough right now. There are a lot of highly qualified people looking for new employment. There's also a misconception that companies are not hiring, but that's not entirely true. If you are looking for a new career path, it helps to get connected with companies that specialize in your field, and that's what an upcoming job fair is all about. And there are some big companies looking to hire, so if you are job hunting, turn up the volume and listen now. Joining me is Dan Harris, the organizer for TechConnect Ohio. It's nice to have you here, Dan.
Good morning. Thank you.
And talk about a couple of misconceptions. Yeah, you know there are people looking for qualified people, and those qualified people are looking to get connected to the jobs. You hope to help.
Exactly. So the event is May 12th, and what we're looking to do is to find organizations and find people and connect them together at this event. So the type of people they're looking for are software developers, software engineers, and companies like The Limited, 2Checkout in town, Manta, TDCI. There's a great opportunity for people to come out the event, meet these companies, and also get a couple additional things. For example, they can learn how to update their resume the right way to attract the right jobs. They can learn how to interview well. They can learn how to use social media to network to the next job. So it's a little bit of everything for everybody, and our goal is to make sure people know about it, they come, they connect, they find a job.
Those are some big companies you named. And I think people might be surprised to say, truly, Limited's hiring, or these other folks are hiring?
Yeah.
And they are.
They are. They're hiring for positions that are critical to their business. And there are
They're growth jobs.
They're growth jobs. They're technology jobs in technology companies, but they're also companies that rely on tech. You know, whether it's a database administrator, a security analyst, a business analyst, a web developer, web marketer. They're truly looking for these individuals, and they have them posted on their websites. But it's one thing to have a website with the jobs listed. It's another to get the word out so people can find those particular jobs.
There is nothing better than that face-to-face.
Exactly.
You know, and a lot of times I've heard people complain that when they are applying for a job, the only way they can apply is through the Internet, which is a great way to get a lot of resumes. But what makes you stand out, this way you can actually come meet these folks.
Exactly. I mean, for example, if you're looking for a job, you can look at a company profile. You can see what they have available. You can see the skill sets, but there's nothing like coming to an event, meeting a person, and talking more about the culture of the company, the kind of projects that they have to offer, and the kind of environment that these individuals are looking to work for. And it's also a great opportunity for the companies to talk a little bit about what they're trying to do and what they're trying to accomplish.
You also mentioned that these folks are looking in the tech field. So if someone's looking for a job, what should they do to prepare, to put their best foot forward when they meet these people?
Oh, obviously, prepare a resume to bring it with you. Have a business card. Even though you're not working or maybe you're in transition, it's always good to have that information to give to someone. And I would say, take a look at the companies that are on the website and learn a little bit more. We've put some blog posts out there. We did some interviews with some of the companies like TDCI, Manta, Nationwide. We talked about 2Checkout. There's even companies like Northwoods Consulting and Oxford Consulting. So I think it's a great opportunity for companies to take a look at the people coming, and also the people look at the companies who are going to be there.
And on our screen, we have a list of some of those companies, and there are some large ones there. Once again, let's give the who, what, where of when this event is.
Okay. It's May 12th. It's going to be at the Conference Center at OCLC. It's a beautiful facility, and we're going to start at 12 o'clock noon, and it'll run through 6 o'clock that evening.
Is this a free event?
It's actually $10 to attend.
Okay.
But that includes the services that we talked about, resume review. We'll actually be doing some things from Talent Rooster, which is interesting. It's a video resume profile. It's free for anybody who comes. Then we'll also have the social media and how to network classes and resume critiques and reviews by Worthington Career Services. So the community's really come together. The businesses have come together, and we're really about building knowledge around tech in Central Ohio.
We are. I think this is perfect.
Yeah, and helping people find the right job and the right company so they're successful, and Columbus is successful overall.
Well, you've been connecting in many different ways, and this is just your latest, so it sounds like it's a wonderful project, and hopefully those companies get the folks they need, and we'll get some folks back to work.
Sounds good. I look forward to seeing everyone there.
May 12th. Thank you very much, Dan. Nice to have you here.
You're welcome. Thank you.